need to develop content, okay? You cannot be on YouTube wanting to develop content but not creating it, because if you are familiar at all with anything related to YouTube, you know that you need to create content, because if you don't, people can't watch it. So I know it's hard to do it, but you need to do it. Again, as I stated, when I started YouTube, I had a cell phone and I was developing content with my cell phone, okay? So therefore, to make it more simplified, ask yourself, what are you going to do? Is it going to be cooking? Are you going to do a podcast? Are you going to do commentary? Are you going to do finance? Are you going to do real estate? I named a few. However, the list of content creation is endless. It's simple. What do you like? Keep in mind, you need to create content. So this needs to be fun. You need to do something that is going to be fun to you. What topic are you going to choose? Be bold. Don't be afraid. In order to create on YouTube, you need to create. And in order to be successful, you need analytics. In order to get analytics, you need to be creating content, right? So let's stop procrastinating and get started today, guys. You guys must start today. Creating short videos. A short video can be 60 seconds or less. Start creating those. That can help grow your audience. I will have a link in my description